Hey guys, welcome to the Rachael Prep Kitchen. We are live. I'm Jeanette, this is my friend Grant.
Hello.
And today we are celebrating the unofficial start of summer. It was just Memorial Day. Happy few days after Memorial Day weekend.
Yeah.
And all weekend we were grilling, we were drinking, we were having a lot of fun. I hope you guys were too. And so we're going to show you some of our favorite recipes that we've been kind of playing around with. We've got some grilling recipes, we've got some cocktail recipes, so make sure you stay to the end. There's lots of fun today. As always, we love to hear from you guys, so make sure you comment and you let us know where you're watching from, and we'll say hello. Grant is kicking things off today. What are you starting with?
I am. So speaking of grilling, whenever I think of grilling, I think of hamburgers. Whenever I think of hamburgers, I think of the Big Mac. That's right. So today I'm going to make sort of my version of that, but with chicken. So we're going to make a double chicken cheeseburger with my special sauce, which I'm going to show you how to make. So at home you're like wondering if you're saying, what is Grant's special sauce? Well, I'm going to show you in just a minute. But let's get started on our chicken burgers. So right here I just have 2 pounds of chicken, 1 pound of chicken meat, and I just smash those into really thin patties. And I like to use the dark and light meat mixed together, because that way you have a little bit of fat in there, so then when you grill it, they don't dry out too much. I put a little bit of canola oil. I like to use a high temperature oil for this since we're putting it on the grill. Lots of salt. And salt is very important, especially when you're making burgers, because when you put it on the grill, it gets that really nice burger crust on the outside. So I always put a little extra salt, a little more salt than you think you might need.
We want to say hi to Richard from Newark. Thank you, Richard, for watching. Hello and good afternoon. Happy Thursday.
And so today I'm making some cheeseburgers, but we got to thinking, if we're making cheeseburgers, we might as well make hot dogs, right?
Yeah.
So we want to know from you guys today, what do you prefer? Cheeseburgers or hot dogs? Which one do you prefer?
I think I have to say I am team, when I was a kid I was all about the hot dog, but as I've gotten older, I'm actually team hamburger, but I'm actually team chicken or turkey burger. It's right up my alley. You are speaking to me today. I really love a good chicken burger. But yeah, what about you? Hot dog, hamburger?
I think I always have been and always will be team hot dog.
You love hot dogs.
I love a hot dog.
Every year on his birthday we throw him a big hot dog party. Yeah. You love hot dogs.
So those are going to start grilling up. I have the hot dogs on the grill. I'm going to go wash my hands real quick and then we'll start on the special.
Excellent. Yes, we want to say hi to Nikki from Ridgewood. Hi, Nikki. Thank you for watching. And are you guys commenting? We want to hear from you. We want to know, are you team hamburger or team hot dog? We're going to take a tally at the end and see who wins.
All right, so while those guys are grilling up, we're going to make our special sauce. So in this bowl, and basically what this is it's all of my favorite hamburger condiments, but this is one sauce. So you can make it right now. You can put it into a bottle and just keep it in the fridge all summer long. Or at least for like 2 weeks.
Do you have any mayonnaise?
Oh, yes. I always buy my mayonnaise in bulk.
Why?
I feel like I go through it, and it's kind of embarrassing how much I've already used.
I love that.
Yeah.
It's going to last us all summer long.
I don't know if you knew this about me, but I'm an extreme couponer. And this is actually free. It's crazy. So I just have about a half a cup of mayonnaise. I'm going to add some ketchup to that. We're just using the normal size bottle, right?
That's actually something I do buy in bulk. I love ketchup. I put it on everything.
I put about 2 tablespoons of some pickled relish. A little bit of sugar just to balance it out. Not too much, just about a teaspoon. A splash of vinegar. And a little bit of granulated onion.
Yummy. That's the kind of sauce I like. Good for a hamburger, good for a hot dog, but also good for sandwiches. Like you were saying, you can keep it in the refrigerator. It'd be really nice on a sandwich.
Yep.
Oh wow, we've got a lot of people voting. We've got a lot more for cheeseburger. I think we've got 10 for burgers, 2 for hot dogs, 1 for both. I like the person who says both. I know, we can't decide. I like half and half. If you guys are just tuning in, I'm Jeanette, this is Grant. We are in the Rachael Prep Kitchen, backstage at the Rachael Show, and we are grilling up a storm today. We're showing you a lot of fun grilling recipes that you guys can definitely pop on the grill during those hotter days of the summer. And we want to say hi to Miriam from Puerto Rico. Hello, Miriam.
Hello, Miriam. And Sandy from Canada said she loves the show. Thank you so much, Sandy.
Thank you.
So our sauce is all ready to go. Our hot dogs and our chicken burgers are cooking up. So while those cook, Jeanette, are you going to get started on the side?
I am going to show you guys a fun side today. So I was just telling Grant, I got a new grill. We moved last summer, so it's been taking us a little bit of time to get our house in order. But we finally kind of started addressing the backyard, and we got this great grill. And it's pretty much been my assignment for the past few weeks to grill anything and everything that's come in my kitchen.
That's fun.
So yeah, you'll see a lot of fun recipes from that. I pretty much, my next attempt at grilling, I'm gonna try and grill a spaghetti squash.
Oh,
I'm gonna say so.
like
If anybody has any tips for me, make sure you comment.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna test that out because I love spaghetti squash. I know you guys do too.
Hello to Caroline from Ontario.
Okay. Hi, Caroline. So I'm going to show you guys today, I'm sitting in my kitchen and I said, can you grill potatoes? I love potatoes. Potatoes are probably one of my favorite foods. So I was just testing this out and it turns out you can grill potatoes. And so I'm going to show you how to make grilled garlic fries.
Oh,
so yeah,
fun.
they're really fun.
Somebody asked what was the powder that went into the sauce. It's a granulated onion.
Oh, yeah.
But you can use onion powder, you can use onion flakes. You can just throw some onion in there if you like.
Yeah.
That works
Just a little onion flavor.
Yeah.
All right, so to get these potatoes started, I started with 2 pounds of red skin potatoes, and then I just quartered them. You don't want them to be too small, because I was doing this on the outdoor grill, and you didn't want them to fall through the little slats.
Oh, yeah.
And then I just seasoned with a little bit of salt and pepper.
Yeah. Chris from Fort Wayne, Indiana is watching.
Okay.
Hello, Chris.
And then this is the part where every time I'm making oven fries, any kind of fries, you just gotta get in there, use your
Yeah.
hands. Toss it all around and get all of the oil
A little
and
massage.
exactly, a little potato massage. You want to get all the potatoes nicely coated in the salt, pepper, and all of the cooking spray. And then, so like I said, I was doing this on my outdoor grill. You know how the outdoor grill has that top rack?
Yeah.
I guess it's just called the top rack of the grill, right? I didn't know if it had a fancier name. So I was actually grilling a turkey breast at the same time. So I lined all these potatoes up right at the top, and they kind of cooked on the indirect heat. I'd say like 20 minutes, close the lid, open it, flip them, 20 more minutes. They were so crispy and delicious.
Wow.
You almost couldn't realize that they weren't fried like French fries.
Yeah,
So I tested it on the grill today, the indoor grill pan, and it was pretty much just medium-high heat on this. And then you want to line them all up. You want to cover it with foil so that they cook through. And they're going to get really charred and crispy, but with tender in the center.
This is so fun. I can't wait to try it.
They're going to be really good. They're going to be great with your hamburger and hot dog.
Lynn from Boston is
Hi,
watching.
Lynn.
Hello, Lynn. So I'm going to flip these turkey burgers. They cook up pretty quick since they are really thin patties.
Yeah, they do.
I'm just going to give these a quick
I
flip.
like that. Alicia says hi, and she loves watching us from California. Hi, Alicia. California's one of my favorite places. And Roya says hello from Tunisia. Hello in Tunisia.
All right, so when I flip the burgers, I like to put the cheese on top so it gets nice and melty.
I like that.
And I'm using American cheese because that's what I like in my burgers.
Who doesn't?
You can use any kind of cheese if you like.
Grant, Sandy's asking, what's your favorite thing to grill and why?
I mean, I think my favorite thing to grill is just hot dogs.
Probably.
Yeah.
Easy, simple.
And why? Because I like to eat them.
I think my favorite thing to grill, I'm just like learning for the first time. I feel like I've always grilled, but like just having this grill in my house all the time, I've been putting a skillet on there and making scrambled eggs. I've been really taking it a little far and grilling everything.
That's fun.
Yeah, but my favorite thing so far, if you've been a guest at my house over the past 2 weeks, I have made these grilled French fries for like everyone who's come through. So this is kind of my favorite thing I'm doing right now. Becky says hello from Vermont, and Sue says, hey y'all from Florida. Hey y'all.
So we put the cheese right onto the burgers for our double burger, but for our cheeseburger hot dog, I'm actually going to put the cheese into the bun and just broil it really fast.
Ooh,
You could
I
do
like
this
that.
on the grill, but I'm going to do it in the boiler today just to make sure it gets nice and melty. So
Yeah, that's another thing you can put on that top rack.
Yeah.
And it would just melt right down. Very fun. Should I make us some cocktails?
Oh, yes.
Yeah?
Yes,
I
please.
think so. So we are, I'm going to show you how to make, this is my, like I said, it was a sparkling strawberry lemonade with
yum.
some basil in it. It's really good.
That sounds good.
Okay, so it starts with an ingredient that my friend Grant is quite familiar with. This is your dad's jam. I don't know if you know this, but Grant's dad, Wendell, makes the world's best jam. Hi, Wendell. I'm sure you're watching. So we are going to start this cocktail with 2 hearty tablespoons of his strawberry jam, which is absolutely delicious. And then we are going to do a little bit of vodka because that makes fun for lemonade sometimes.
Can't have a cocktail
No,
without
you
vodka,
can't.
right? Just to remind you guys, all these recipes are going to be up on our Facebook page later today. And if you've noticed in the little bottom corner of your screen, there's a little button that says follow. If you click on that, it'll notify you every time we're live here on Facebook. So if you want to continue watching more of these, just click that button right now and it's going to let you know when we're live again. We'll actually be back next Thursday.
We
Right?
will be, yeah.
Yeah.
I have a lot of Thursdays this summer.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm just going to squeeze into my cocktail shaker the juice of 2 lemons. And then, like I said, it's lemonade. And then with the jam actually just makes it really, like you're not having to add simple syrup, you're not having to add any sugar. It's all just kind of in there and it combines really, really well. And then I'm going to, that melted down so nicely.
Yeah,
And then I'm just going to add in a few sprigs of basil. And actually, when I was doing this at home, I kind of only had the ends. I was making pesto earlier that day.
Yeah.
And I was like, what a perfect use up, because you get the basil flavor when you shake it, but you don't really need the leaves. So I thought that was...
idea. Because they're kind of hard to eat, but they're
exactly.
so flavor.
And it was something I would have normally thrown away. So
Yeah.
I was happy to use it.
Look at you eating your garbage. Julia is watching from Park Forest, Illinois.
Hello, Julia.
And Crystal said that I mixed the gang shrimp boil in a bag on the grill.
I've never... You have something out of do that, so I want to try that.
Yeah.
And then Sonia says she loves grilling pineapple.
Ooh,
I love grilled pineapple.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, so I've got our cocktail shaker, and you're going to see how nicely and pretty and pink that becomes from that strawberry jam.
Yeah.
Isn't that so fun? Yeah, I know. We've made cocktails with jam in them before, but I don't know. I used the whole jar of Grant Stash jam this weekend making cocktails for everybody. It was a fun weekend.
Melissa said, are there easy desserts that you can grill? I feel like we've done a couple on Facebook Live. I did one last summer, and it was a marinated peaches. You put on the grill with a little bit of ice cream on top. And I think we also did a pineapple foster, which is like a banana sauce with grilled pineapple. So both of those, we can link you to those later. Lisa's watching from Kentucky, and she said she loves the show. Hello, Lisa. Thanks for watching.
I'm now going to talk what's going to make our lemonade sparkling is a little Prosecco. You can easily use some seltzer water or club soda, but I actually just thought it made it look really pretty and pink and kind of like clear on the top. Would you like to try, my friend?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Russ commented and said, do you cook seafood?
Oh.
Yeah, I do some seafood on the grill. Actually, whenever I do salmon on the grill, I like to use one of those planks.
Oh, yeah,
because you don't have to worry about it like flipping it or falling through the cracks or anything. So I suggest those on the grill when you sort of fish.
I like that.
Yeah.
I have a shrimp scampi skewer that we did on Facebook Live last summer. I can find you, Russ, and I'll find you with that recipe. It was a fun one. But I like to just garnish it with a little extra basil, because I always got basil in the house.
It's like
Cheers.
a little salad on top.
Happy summer.
Ooh, that's yummy.
Right? Nice
That's
and tart
delicious.
from the lemons, but sweet from the jam.
That's delicious. I
Spiked
love
from
it.
the vodka. All right, so is it burger time or hot dog time? What's happening down here?
Or hot dog time.
Excellent.
Which one do you prefer? That's one I'll go first.
I'm gonna have the chicken burger.
You want a chicken
It's
burger?
lunchtime. I'm hungry. We want to say hi to Rena from Chicago. Hi, Rena. Thank you for watching. Anne in Iowa loves grilled food. And as a new grill owner, I am obsessed, and I understand now the grilling obsession. And Patricia says the sizzle sounds are loud. It is grilling. We are grilling it here today.
Mike asked a really great question that we get a lot whenever we grill on the show. If we prefer gas or charcoal.
Yeah.
Do you have a preference?
I just bought a gas grill. I'm a little intimidated by the charcoal, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
I think Mark Murphy was on the show recently, and he was giving tips on how to do it with the charcoal. I've never really cooked on charcoal, have you?
I have. I prefer gas just because it's easier.
You can control it more.
Yeah.
But I kind of understand when people say that, the real grilling experience is making sure you're keeping the charcoals at the right temperature.
Totally.
But I'm playing it safe with the gas grill.
Alright, so I'm building our double chicken cheeseburger over here. So on the bottom bun, I just put a little pile of lettuce and some of our sauce. I like to put it in one of these little squirt bottles. Like I said, you can just keep it out in the fridge for a couple of days and use it on everything, like Jeanette was saying. You can use this on a salad if you want.
Very good.
So slide in. Now we're going to put one of our chicken cheeseburgers on top, and we're going to do
It
another
gets
one.
two burgers?
Because it's a double chicken cheeseburger. I'm going to top it with some pickles.
My lunch just got really exciting.
Pickles.
Billy says hello from Oklahoma. Hi, Billy. And Patricia's asking what's the best way to grill corn. Patricia, we were just looking through those recipes the other day.
Oh, yeah.
We've got so many recipes. We'll find you in the comments and post some grilled corn. But basically, all you want to do is you either want to take off all of the husk from the corn, or you want to tie it back. Rachel does it, and she makes it really pretty. And then you just put it on the grill, and you want to just char it on all the sides. Sorry, I just got real distracted by that burger in my eye line. That's so beautiful.
This is our double chicken cheeseburger. So on the top bun, I have another pile of lettuce, some diced onion, some sliced pickles, and some more sauce.
Yeah.
Doesn't that look yummy?
Oh, we're back. Were we gone? We're back.
No.
We're here. We're still here.
And now I'm going to build the hot dog. So
Yes.
this is our cheeseburger hot dog. So I'm going to use all these same ingredients, but do it with a hot dog and a hot dog bun.
Very nice.
So I can't put my tongue, so I'm going to do this.
Oh,
real
you're
fast.
there.
Ooh,
Sorry.
okay.
Did you burn your fingers?
They're all right. So then on top of this hot dog, I'm just going to put some, oops, that's a lot of sauce. You know what? I have more mayonnaise, so I can make some more. I'm going to put some onions right on top.
Ooh.
Some lettuce.
That's like a little homage to Chicago, your favorite city.
Totally, yeah.
They put the raw white onion on that.
Yeah, they like a little, as they say, run it through the garden on top.
Oh.
A lot of like, yeah.
So it's like a salad and a hot dog.
Yeah.
This is why I like Chicago.
All right, there we go. So here's our cheeseburger. Ooh, in the sesame seeds, because you got to have sesame seeds on top of a cheeseburger.
How cute
right?
is that,
So
Grant?
I'm just going to put it on the hot dog.
I love that.
Check that guy out.
That's so
That's
pretty.
our cheeseburger hot dog.
So
I
pretty.
put my special sauce on it too.
Lovely.
Yeah.
We want to say hi to Joe from Blooming Grove, New York.
Hi, Joe.
And Katricia, back to the grilled corn. You just want to make sure it's charred on all of the sides. And then actually Rachel, and I think you and Tina, our coworker Tina, have done a few recipes on the show where you kind of like flavor a mayonnaise and you can like throw that into the buffalo chicken one, like one with like maple and bacon. That's great. You just spread it over the grilled corn, or Mexican street corn even too. That's really yummy to do too.
Shelly commented and said that she wraps the banana in the skin with chocolate and graham crackers and throws it on the grill. That sounds delicious.
Yeah.
And Stephanie asked, would this burger be good with provolone? Yeah, it'd be good with any cheese if you like. I'm only using American because that's what I like, but you can use anything.
I love provolone.
Yeah. I like the stretch factor.
I do too. I like this cocktail too.
Yes. If you guys are just now tuning in, I'm Grant and this is Jeanette. We're live in the Rachael Pep Kitchen. And today we're grilling a bunch of food.
We are.
Jeanette's about to finish her grilled potato wedges,
Yeah.
right?
So like I said, on the indoor grill, you want to cook them 10 minutes on each side covered with the foil. But I made these a little bit before just so like we weren't waiting 30 minutes for them. And look at how lovely and nice those got. Like really, really grilled and charred.
Yeah.
And when you taste them, I'm telling you, like they're so crispy.
Yeah.
It's almost like they're French fries.
That's
A whole
amazing.
little bowl here. And this bowl is kind of the secret to how I'm going to finish the fries. So I've got, I'm not putting Prosecco on the fries, I should, but I'm not going to.
Maybe next
today. Maybe next Thursday. So now in this bowl, I'm going to put in a lot of Parmesan cheese. And the importance of it is I just took these right off the grill. You want to do this while it's hot so everything gets nice and stuck. And then I'm going to do the zest and the juice of a lemon. Yeah.
Lemon and parm. Crystal asked if we'd ever had a 50-50 burger. I don't know what that is. Do you know what that is?
I don't know what that is. No?
Let us know what that is. I don't know if I have
Maybe
it.
we've had it.
Maybe I haven't. Carol asked, or she said hello from Michigan.
Hi,
So
Carol.
that's good. You talking about the hot dogs? You talking about me, Carol? And Alicia from Indianapolis says hello.
Hello, Alicia.
And if you guys haven't clicked that follow button yet, it's right under your screen. If you click on that, it's going to let you know when we're live all summer long, because we're going to be here a lot this summer.
And you want to follow us. We
You're
might
not
put
gonna
Prosecco
wanna
on French fries. You never know. All right, so I've got the juice of a lemon. I got the zest of a lemon. I got a lot of parm. And then I'm just going to do a little garlic powder, because that's what makes them garlic fries.
Yeah.
And then a ton of some nicely finely chopped parsley. And then here's the fun step.
Give it a
Give
toss.
it a nice little toss. I love these shallow bowls. You
Do
can
the
give a nice
French
little
fry
toss.
dance.
Yeah, a little French fry toss.
It's like an exercise.
It is, yeah.
You get an
before
extra
eat it.
fry that way. And like we said, we're going to be here all summer long doing some of these Facebook Live videos and some other videos as well. And we love to do things that you guys are looking for us to do. So make sure you comment and let us know what kind of recipes you're looking for. It's always fun to make something that you guys like.
You want to try a French fry?
Yes, this
I wanna
looks
try
like
that
something
burger.
I'm going to like.
I'm going to go grab that burger and give that a try.
These look so good. Did you guys see these? Look how delicious these look.
We weren't really even planning it, but we made burgers, hot dogs, and fries.
Yeah.
We've got all of those yummy things today. I'm going to try this chicken burger.
And I'm going to try this fry. They smell so good.
Mmm. That's really good.
You would never know that that's not fried.
And you would
It's so good.
hardly even miss a beef burger if you're trying to like eat more chicken and turkey. That is so yummy. It's just like, that's a nice vehicle for all the cheese and the special sauce and the lettuce and the onions.
Thank you.
So good.
This was some great
This
food.
was fun. Yeah, lots of fun grilled food today.
Yeah, so like we said before, all these recipes are going to be on the Facebook page later today. We have our cheeseburger hot dog, the double chicken cheeseburger, Jeanette's strawberry lemonade vodka. Just
Sparkling.
try it. You're gonna love it. And these really delicious French fries, grilled French
Grilled fries, yeah.
Yummy. Yvonne is saying hello from Michigan. Oh, and Crystal answered the 50-50 burger is smoked bacon and beef.
Oh, wow.
Yum, I haven't had that, but I would like that right now.
We might have to try that this summer,
Yeah.
Crystal. That sounds delicious. I've had bacon in a burger, but never like 50-50.
Yeah.
That sounds yummy.
All right, well, just to, we're going to be back here next Thursday.
We are.
And also tomorrow on the Rachael Ray Show, we're going to be on there making some bottom-of-the-jar recipes with Rachel and with John Cusimano.
That'll be
Also,
fun.
John Giddings on the show. It's a really great show, so make sure you check that out tomorrow. We'll be back here next Thursday.
We will be.
But before you leave, make sure you click that follow button.
Yeah.
Click it.
And we'll just tell you when we're going to be on next Thursday.
All right, thanks, guys. Bye-bye.
We'll see you next week.